What's up, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are in Kansas City, Missouri, and we are starting a renovation on an existing water feature. We already had the guys start this on Friday and get some of the things demoed out on the hillside and some of the old rock removed out of here. There was an existing waterfall that kind of went down through here and dropped down the hillside towards this pond down at the bottom, and we're going to be doing some things just to kind of abbreviate it, make it a little more functional, give it a little bit of a facelift to where things are a little more manicured and a little more put together. So down here below the wall, we will be installing our Pondless reservoir, and then the waterfall will work up over this wall, across this area, and then we're going to have a small pooling area right in here before going to our upper spillway, which will be located over on this side. So a spill out, come down through here, small pool area, work our way down some cascades, and then drop over the wall into the final reservoir. And then we are going to go ahead and repurpose a lot of this stone here from the original waterfall and make a little dry creek that will connect through down to this lower pond, just to kind of give it the effect that it's all tied in together. Now that you have an idea of what we're doing, we're going to get started. Jordan's climbing the tree over here. And away we go. So when they talk about good flow and good momentum, we didn't have a whole lot of that today. But we were able to get a fair amount done. We had to scratch and claw a little bit, but we have the first rock set for our waterfall at the bottom of our reservoir here, and we were able to get some of the prep work done for tomorrow, so we should be able to get in here and just rock and roll. We're gonna make this thing look awesome, hopefully get it all done. See you in like 2 seconds. We're back. It's day 2. The sun is out. It's just going to be a much better day today. I can feel it. So we're going to get into setting some rocks here, building this waterfall going up behind me, and hopefully we'll get to the point where we can turn this thing on maybe later today. We'll see what happens. But right now, just want to get in here and get into the rhythm and just get flowing with things.
This one's lighter than I thought.
He says it's lighter than he thought. We are working on getting our hillside retained here, and this is a little different than normal, our setup, but we had all these existing stones from the original water feature, and a lot of it is just this flat stuff. This is like a manufactured paver that's supposed to look like some kind of irregular natural stone, but just using that to kind of create little stacked walls throughout here, and we'll kind of work some other ones in with all this limestone stuff around our outcroppings just to tie everything in. That way we can utilize a lot of this extra rock. We're being a bit ambitious, I think, today, but got a lot of work done. All this little stack work stuff in here is just taking forever, so didn't really anticipate all that, although I should have. Gonna bring some more smaller rocks tomorrow just because the pieces we have left at this point are just way too big. So we're gonna go ahead and get cleaned up for today. See you guys in a second. Day 3, it has arrived. We are back here, it's morning, and hopefully we'll have a little better luck with everything today. We'll be able to get this all wrapped up and running here. So we do have David, the other David, with us today, so we'll have an extra hand on deck. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into things here and make this thing look awesome.
Monkey.
George of the jungle. Finally, we have water running. I'm gonna flip you around, show you what we have going on here in just a second. But this was just one of those jobs where there were just a lot of things we did not take into consideration, really, and it just is not the regular run-of-the-mill type of project we work on. It's a lot of custom things going on in this whole setup, and the access is just really, really tight. So I'm gonna flip you around, show you what we have going on here, what we created. Grant looks super happy right now. How you feeling, Jordan?
Oh, it's a great day.
You all right?
Yeah, dude. Busted it.
I will see you. No, that's stupid. That was really stupid. It just is not the regular run-of-the-mill project that we work on.
Oh my gosh, the frog just scared the crap out of me. I'm sorry.
Jordan's a little scared by some frogs over there.